Hello everyone, to use VJVGA capture function in VJDirector, first click on the source button. In the video source, type the address with VJVGA and your IP address and also the server port. After that, click OK. So as you can see, the screen of my computer is loaded here. To use this function, first you need to install VJVGA capture right here. So when you open, it will let you do the settings such as the capture object in full screen or Windows, or the audio and also the encoder. The server we set just now is this server, default will be 8015. After that, click on Start to connect to VJDirector. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the video.